What's up everybody, Shaya here. In this video I wanted to discuss the difference between inspiration versus insights and how it can change your life. So recently I was working with a client of mine who went on an inspirational and motivational weekend with some of the most top-notch speakers in the country. And at that moment he was so inspired, he was so motivated to make changes. He makes all sorts of commitments in his life and things that he was going to change while moving forward. But so often what happens with inspiration is that it totally vanishes, it weans away. And 2 weeks later, he had come to me and said how terrible he had felt and wondering why all the commitments that he had taken upon himself, he wasn't able to follow through. So I think here lies the difference between insights and inspiration. Inspiration is when you hear someone else's realizations, someone else's insights, and someone else's advice and ideas that they had into their own lives that were effective for them. And now the speaker or that person takes that insight that they had and they share it with you, and that translates into inspiration or motivation for you. But an insight is when you have your own realization or your own idea or your own common sense falls into your mind, or something hidden that wasn't obvious to you now becomes insight, and you get a custom-made idea hand-tailored into your life. So if you really want any behavior to change or to stick, what happens is you need to look in the direction of your own wisdom and your own insights. Let's take, for example, a person wants to work out, or they want to go to the gym, or they want to diet. And what happens is that they might listen to a few things, some of their own friends' insights about it, or a motivational video or something, and they feel very inspired in order to go ahead and make changes in their life. The degree that you have your own realization into whatever it is that you want to change is the degree that you'll actually be able to have everlasting change, and change that will stick with you for the rest of your life. So I hope you're able to use this video not just to take my own ideas, but really look in the direction of your own wisdom and your own insight to gain a deeper truth of something that you actually want to accomplish in your life. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, push that like, forward to a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one.